Okay, this is VGR with the model number V921. Okay, comes with two colors, blue and gold. Okay, stainless steel blade, 1200 milliamp battery, turbo speed with 7000 RPM, or maybe 2 speeds, maybe. Okay, and here 2 hours charging time and 200 minutes operating time. Okay. Inside, just the usual stuffs. This is the trimmer, the USB-C. Okay, this is a plastic LCD display. I don't know which blade fits on this because I didn't check. So, and I don't want to check either. You cannot zero gap this blade. Here, for speed. So this head trimmer feels, like a cheap plastic. Yeah, but the price is also cheap. You cannot zero gap it. So it's just for home use, That's it, and peace, man.